Guys, I'm Aurora and I'm a part of the Forex Strategist Resources team. In this video, I will show you 50 tips a day Market Entry Pro. It is a trend momentum trading system complete with 6 different templates, scalping and day trading for multiple trading styles that provides all the precise indications for trading. The trading system is trend momentum based on trend and momentum indicators. The approach is multi-time frame. The filters are configured at high time frames. While this feature can give some false signals, at the same time it increases the profitability of the trading system. This is a trading system that can analyze market movements technically with accuracy. These templates are simple and easy to use and understand. If you use it properly, it can increase your trading success rate and the maximum profit. Market Entry Pro will provide automatic signals and alerts to the user, complete with stop loss and take profit. So that users only forward the recommended signal and alerts to manually open position. You can use this indicator forever without rental fees. In the following image, I show you the setup of the strategy. Time frame 50 minutes or higher. Currency pairs, majors, minors, indices, and commodities. Indicators. The pivot points indicator is a simple pivot indicator that will provide basic information such as daily pivot points, support 1, support 2, support 3, resistance 1, resistance 2, and resistance 3. Daily range is the high and the low movement range to determine the maximum X trade level, including take profit and stop trades. In one day, this level will change every day. In addition, this indicator is also useful so that we don't overtrade. DJX6. The DJX6 indicator is the form of a point arrow can be used to find out which trend will take place. This indicator does not repaint. DJX6 is used an alert when there is a change in trend news signal. The JCSM provides visual information on the current trend based on the analysis of more than 5 indicators that are displayed visually on the chart. You can adjust the settings of all indicators in the input parameters. The JROC appears on the sub-window providing trend information in the form of a histogram. Trading rules 5 pips a day, Market Entry Pro. This method is safer for entry, but requires confirmation from some indicators. Entry cell. Arrows appear down. The JROC color histogram red. The seller is bigger than the buyer. moving average, trend M30, H1, H4, color red. Entry buy, arrows appear up. DJ Rock color histogram blue. The seller is bigger than the buyer. Moving average, trend M13, H1, H4, color blue. Exit position. Place an initial stop loss on the previous swing high-low. Profit target at the levels of previous points or with minimum ratio stop loss 1 to 15. Examples of trades. So, if you are enjoying the content of this video, make sure you smash the like button, and if you have any questions, you can put them in the section comment below. I'll be glad to answer those comments as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!